If you have seen this video of Make Money Matt, voice video, he said earn $10,000 in just 30 days and hope that you can start earning $10,000 in just 30 days, then I'm sorry, you are in the wrong place. I request you to skip my videos because there is no magical income site in the world where you can earn $10,000 by working for just 30 days. Actually, those people who say these things are really a fraud. So this video of mine is only for those people who actually want to work hard for next 6 months and start earning within 7 months. The 3 passive incomes that I will talk about in this video will be best for you in 2024, and I guarantee that if you work hard on any of the 3 from February to July, you will get the good result from the next month. First, I want to talk about content creation. Now 2024. If you look right, look left, you will definitely see content creators are everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you say, content creators are growing everywhere, every day. Along with that, the demand for quality content is also increasing day by day. See another thing, now those who are making drama or news for television, now they are uploading and promoting this content on various social media instead of broadcasting on television. Because no one opens the TV and sits down to watch news. Everything is available on the mobile phone. That's why everyone is now more attracted to social media instead of watching television. So content creation can be great passive income for you by the year of 2024. You can create content on any platform. Example, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. But what you have to do is create good and quality videos that the audience actually like to watch and create a strong community with the audience. Being a content creator doesn't mean you can earn only from one place. There are different ways to earn money, such as affiliate marketing, sponsorship, course sale, product sale, etc. And after monetizing, you can also earn by running ads. So if you're interested in it, then it can be the best option for you in this year of 2024. Number 2, real estate investing. Earning regular rental income means you will need to purchase, prepare and manage a property, whether you're renting it out for short or long-term purpose. Once established, can provide you with a predictable income source. If you're interested in real estate investing but don't want to manage a property yourself, a platform like Royalty Mogul may be worth considering. Royalty Mogul is a real estate investment platform that allows individuals to invest in commercial real estate properties with as little as $5,000. Through the platform, investor can access a range of real estate investment including rental properties, commercial building and development project. By investing in a diversified portfolio of properties through a platform like Royalty Mogul, you can potentially earn rental income without the hassle of managing a property yourself. If you ask me, is there any business that can be started without money and that will make me rich without any risk? My answer will be Shopify dropshipping. Shopify dropshipping is the only business that you don't need any real money to start, and there is no risk of losing your money. The more product you can sell, the more money you can earn. So what does Shopify dropshipping actually mean? Dropshipping is when a person or a company sells goods on their website that they do not keep in stock. And Shopify is a website where you can post items for sale. So how do you start dropshipping? There are 3 things you need to start: website, supplier and customer. First, website. There are 2 websites for free, is that WordPress and Shopify, but I will suggest you Shopify. Suppliers. There are many e-commerce websites like Amazon, AliExpress, etc. for suppliers, where if you search, then you will get many good products at low price. And third, customer. You can use various social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram to find your specific customers. You can share your post on them, or you can run a Facebook ad. It's very good idea. So if you work for 6 months in any one of these 3, I can guarantee that you can start earning within 7 months and you will thank me later. Have a good journey.